Alright, welcome to the first video of the training, and if you're already a skilled marketer or affiliate, you can skip this video and proceed to the next one. But in this video I'm going to briefly cover the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, how does it work, and how you can make money with it. So I have a graphic here, and if you have never ever before made any affiliate sales, or you don't know how it works, here it is. So basically we have a merchant on the left side, which is also a vendor. This is a product owner, and the affiliate marketing works in that way. You don't own any products. There are these so-called merchants and vendors, so you promote their products and they pay you a commission from the sale. And sometimes they can pay you 10-15 bucks, sometimes they can pay you $100 per sale. So I'm going to show you how they can pay you $100 per sale. This is depending on the product and on the affiliate network. So this is the process. There are so-called affiliate networks that you sign up for, and I work with one particular that is my favorite. I work with many affiliate networks, but the one that I'm going to show you is the one we're going to be working with. So these affiliate networks provide you, the affiliate, with a tracking link. So basically it plays like a middleman. Here on the left side we have the product. This can be a digital book, a physical product, it can be anything. It can be even a toy for a kid, it can be a book. Even Amazon has affiliate program. You can promote Amazon products and get a commission for. So how it works, the affiliate network is basically a tracking software that gives you a unique link. It's called affiliate link for you. When you promote this affiliate link, and when people start clicking this link and start purchasing from the link, then this is tracked by the network. And when the merchant have a sale, this is tracked by the affiliate network, and you're getting a commission. So the affiliate networks over here, there are so many affiliate networks. Like I said, there are hundreds and even thousands. Today, and pretty much through the entire of the training, I'm going to be showing you ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there, and I'm going to show you how to sign up. Another big network is CJ Affiliate, there Rakuten, there Share a Sale, and so many. And as you can see here, Amazon Associate, this is the Amazon network. But ClickBank is the biggest one for digital products. So what I have here, this is how ClickBank looks like. Go to clickbank.com, and from here, click the sign up button to sign up for an affiliate account. And once you sign up, so let me show you how it looks like. So fill out the correct information here. Make sure everything is correct. Your country, your name, your last name, your phone number, your email, password, everything should be correct. So once you click continue to the terms and conditions, I'm not going to click because I already have accounts with ClickBank. This is what we're going to see. So let me click login, and I'm going to log in. Now I have many accounts with ClickBank, and I don't know for you how it's going to look like, but in this case, let me see which account. So for example, let me click this account, and I'm gonna log into this account. So this is the first version of ClickBank. So I don't know which one they're going to give you, but this is what you're going to see once you log into your ClickBank account. This is the first look. So this is called a sub account, but there are some cases where when you sign up, ClickBank will give you a master account, and I don't know how it works. Sometimes they give you a master account, sometimes they give you a sub account. But with sub account, this is your unique sub account. This is your username. You have to set it up. Once you sign up, you're going to see through the process. But here it is how it looks, the master account. So let me log out, and I'm gonna log into my master account, and this is my master. Let me just click this one so I can show you how it looks like once you log in. So this is your master account, and from the master account you can create multiple sub accounts, the one I just showed you in just a couple of seconds ago. And if you see this account like that, just hover over this menu and go over this tab where this is manage account nicknames, and from here, to create an account that you can use, click create an account over here, and account type should be affiliate, because you want to promote affiliate products. You don't want to be a vendor, because you can actually combine vendor and affiliate if you want, but I recommend you stick to the affiliate in the beginning, and then later on, if you decide to create your own product and have recruit affiliates to promote your product, then you can become a vendor. So click affiliate type, and then the nickname, I am actually going to create another nickname because I need another account, so I'm going to create one for you. And here is something important. The nickname you're going to give to your account, to your affiliate account in ClickBank, is very important. And don't pick something stupid, because this is a nickname. This nickname, for example, is something that people will see when they click your link. So it's going to be domainname.com/your username. This is how ClickBank tracks sales, and some other characters. So make sure, so there are two types of usernames that I use. Either a very nice word like gifts for all or market gifts for all, or the other type is some characters like that, so you don't know what it is and you've seen URLs with a bunch of characters that you can't recognize. And in this case I have market 24 and it's already taken because I already have one. So and now I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna pick RSS 45, let's say RSS 45, and then I'm gonna click sign up. And once you sign up, this is your new sub account, and I can click this sub account and it's going to redirect me to this place. Now what we want to do here is we want to set up our affiliate account before we start advertising, before we start promoting products and make commissions. So first of all, of course, you have to confirm your email address right here, and of course this is the one that I'm using, so for you it's going to be the one you're using. But after you have signed up here, the second step is go to account settings right here on top. Let me zoom in. Account settings, and from the account settings, make sure your address and your tax ID is filled out. If you don't have a tax ID, you can put your ID from your passport or your ID card, but this is important because this is how ClickBank will pay you, so they need to verify that this is actually you. And once I scroll down, this is my contact information and this is your payment information. So for the payment information, usually what I have, and because this is a brand new account, I have bank wires. That means every time I have commissions, and ClickBank pays me every 15 days, and sometimes it's different. For maybe new accounts, it should be like every net 30 days. Sometimes it pays 7 days. You can actually reach out to the support in ClickBank and ask them to about the payouts. But what you need to do here on the payment information, go to the right side, and here, over here where it says edit, just click edit, and let's see. So payment threshold is $100. So once I reach $100, they're gonna pay me. They're gonna send me a check. I can go, payment to $1 million. I can choose $100,000. Usually what I have, my payment threshold is around $2,500 and $5,000. I don't want them to send me wires every time I have $100, because I have multiple days that I have multiple $100, and this is going to be a lot of accounting mess for me. So usually what I have either $2,500, $5,000, and sometimes in rare cases when I'm banging a lot of money every day, I have $10,000 and $100,000. So pick, let's say, it's up to you. This is up to you. Maybe just $100 is fine to start, because once you see the $100 in your bank account, you're going to get so pumped. And this is what happened with me back in 2014 or 13, when I first got my first payment from ClickBank in my bank account, and I was like, wow, this really works. So it actually motivates you. So maybe leave it to $100 and even lower to $50. And then what I do here is I set direct deposit, and here is they literally deposit the money straight to your bank. So pick the bank you're using in your country, and then bank city and the bank name, and then you have to click save changes. And the payment frequency is on weekly, so this is weekly every week, or bi-weekly means every 2 weeks. So fill out your information, click Save Changes, and you should be good to go to collect money from ClickBank. So I'm gonna click Cancel, and let's see if I'm not forgetting something. So Clerk API, we don't need that right now, and resources, we don't need that. So the next step is just go over to your dashboard, go back, and make sure to read that. I mean, this is a message that pops up in front of all of the new accounts. So read that, and I'm gonna meet you in the next video where we're going to start looking for products that we can promote and make money with them.